So in this video, we're going to be showing y'all how to get started spot trading. So these are the things you need to do step by step to get started trading Forex. First, you need to research and educate yourself on the basics of Forex trading and understand the risks involved. There are risks involved. You can lose all your money if you don't stay focused and you don't have a plan. So understand the basics of Forex. You can basically get that here on this channel. So we're going to go through the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell, like and subscribe so that you can be notified on all videos that are coming. So, number 2, we're going to choose a reputable broker and open a trading account. So, what is a broker? A broker is basically, just to say it in simple terms, it's just basically where we put our money to place our trades, and we make our deposits and withdrawals through through our broker. So now I'm not going to go over all the brokers that's out there because there's a lot of brokers out there. So you have to do your own due diligence and your own research on these Forex brokers and go with who you choose. I'm not telling you to go with any broker. I'm not giving you any trading decisions. I'm just putting the information out there. Just use that as a disclaimer. So one of the brokers. These are 2 brokers out there, Forex brokers that you can get signed up with. The links will be in the description. We have OspreyFX. They're a pretty good broker. I've got pays out with them within about an hour. And I really like them. You can trade indices. You can trade gold, Forex, all that on this. Oanda is regulated by the U.S., so you do have some limitations to what you can trade and your leverage. Osprey is 1 to 500 leverage. So those are 2 brokers that you can get signed up. Go over there, just sign up, put in your information, follow the steps to get signed up, get into these accounts. And once you get into these accounts, you're gonna set up a MetaTrader account. Okay, so once you get signed up, you're gonna have to need to download the Google Authenticator app. So it's just like this in your app store. Download the Google Authenticator app so that you can get your security set up. And do all your verification that you need to do on these brokers. Follow all the steps for that. And then to open up an account, you want to click accounts. Click here. And like I said, you can open up a demo account to get started. You can open up a live account. This is the live account, MT5 ECN, MT5 demo. So let's just open up a demo. Leverage of 500, balance. It's better to make the balance of what you're going to actually fund your live account with so that you don't build bad habits. So if you're going to put 500 in there, put 500. Okay, once the account is created, your credentials is going to come to your email. So you're going to go to your email. And now you want to go to the email that they just sent you. And this is going to be the information that you need. You're going to need your account number and your password. So, all right, now you want to come over here to MetaTrader5.com and download for whatever you have, Windows, Mac. Click download, install that. All right, once you're in MetaTrader, you're going to want to come over here to File, Open an Account. And we're going to want to type in our broker's server. So that was Osprey. It's the information that's right on your email. Once you find it, click it. Next. Then you're going to want to put in your information if you got a live or a demo account. your login and your password that came in your email. Once you do that, you're gonna click finish. Then you're gonna load up, and you're gonna have your money in your account. And that's how you get started. So then, once you're in the demo, you can come over here if the market is open. You can come over here. It's moving. So let's go to a 5-minute chart, 1-minute chart. Come over here and place a buy. So you will see down here at the bottom that we're in our order, a buy. And it shows our profit over here in the right hand corner. And yeah, so that's how you'll get into a buy by clicking buy over here. If the market is going up, if the market is going down, we're going to click sell over here. So that to get out of this position, I'll click this little X right here on the right. Close that position. Now we're out of there. So once we have a strategy, we want to create a trading plan. So once you guys go through the videos, get the strategies, then you're going to want to create a trading plan. So creating a trading plan is basically how much you're going to trade, giving yourself rules, what's your goals for the day, when you're going to get out, what's the max risk for the day, and things like that. Give yourself a plan to follow. Then you're going to want to practice executing this plan on a demo account. So all the brokers have demo accounts. You can go on there and trade virtual money without risking your real money until you get the hang of things and get consistent. So then you want to start trading small and only use risk capital that you're willing to lose. So you want to monitor and evaluate your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. So I said keep a trade journal so you can understand when you lose and when you win. And I'm going to be creating a journal for y'all. Just stay tuned.